What's up, guys? It's Jake Fry, the car guy, here with Walker Paul Tedders, and today we're going to be checking out a really cool 2025 XLT Ford Maverick. Now, this is the 25 redesigned Maverick, and this one has some really cool options on it. One of my favorite is the XLT Luxury Package, which we'll show you has a lot of really cool features, a lot of stuff on the interior that makes it a more luxurious, comfortable feel. Now, this also has the 4K trailer tow package, so you can tow up to 4,000 pounds. And this is our 2-liter EcoBoost turbo engine paired with our Maverick specific transmission. So super cool to see that. Our luxury package, we've got our gloss black wheels here. You've got the brand new redesigned front end. We've gone over that, but it's got a new bumper, it's got a new grille, it's got all kinds of new stuff, and I think it looks fantastic. We retained our heavy duty steel towing hooks. And coming around to the side, one thing you'll see is that those gloss black wheels match your gloss black mirror cap. So it just gives it a little bit better, a little bit sportier feel. Now, this is also our FX4 Off-Road Package Maverick. So the best suspension that's available from the factory, the best tires, and it also has those skid plates up under it for doing real off-roading. Our Maverick is famous, notorious for having the beautiful Flexbed system. We've got a video coming out on that, but it is totally able to be compartmentalized, so you can section it off, set it up however you like, whether you're working a job, going on camping trips, whatever you want to do. You've got a locking rear tailgate, so if you did want to put a tonneau cover on here, you would have total protection for that. And this is our heavy duty Class 4 trailer hitch right there to tow those 4,000 pounds with your two different setups, 4 and 7 pin for your connectors. Rear parking sensors, and also some really cool bigger backup camera with the bigger touchscreen. I'm going to go ahead, and one thing you get with this luxury package is remote start right from the key there. So you just hit that lock button twice and hit that remote start button, and she purrs like a cat. 2-liter EcoBoost engine. We love this engine, and we're going to be doing a 0 to 60 test on the 2-liter Mavericks as well. Now, we're about to hop on into the interior, check out the redesign for 2025. Very exciting. And I love what we've done with this navy pier interior. So you've got blue accents all throughout, from your door handles to your interior trays. You've got beautiful blue cross stitching with these nice kind of redesigned cloth seats, and they are very comfortable. And when I say comfort, I'm sitting at about 6'4", and I have plenty of headspace, plenty of leg room in the 2025 Maverick. Now, we already remote started it, so all you need to do is just press the start button, which is in a brand new place for 2025. One thing I love about that is that we do have a little bit more space by that. Me being a taller guy, I'd be reaching over my knee here to hit that start stop button normally, and it's real accessible with the touch of a button in the 2025. Now, that luxury package is going to give us this kind of nicely leather wrapped steering wheel with some gloss black accents, and this is a heated steering wheel with your luxury package, as well as heated seats for the passenger and the driver that you pick up in your 25. Tons of safety stuff, so you can configure your lane keeping system at the touch of a button there. You've also got blind spot to keep you in the same lane, and automatic emergency braking for dangerous situations. We've redesigned the digital dash as well as the touchscreen on this thing. So you've got plenty of options for however you like your dash to read out, whether you're towing 4,000 pounds and you want all of your towing information, your trailer lights to be set up properly, you want to see your trip and fuel economy. Remember, this 2-liter Maverick is rated for up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. So don't think you have to get the hybrid to still get great fuel economy. Total redesign on our screen, so all of our climate control buttons have moved into the screen, which is brand new. You've got your window defrost, you've got climate controls for driver and passenger, so dual climate controls. And this touchscreen does absolutely anything you want. So you can pair your phone, use your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto, and you've even got apps directly from the vehicle. So you've got a YouTube app there. Go ahead and scan that QR code to get it connected, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, Certified Car Guys, right here from the comfort of your 2025 Maverick. So something cool new that we hadn't seen before. You've got navigation capability from your phone on here. It displays a really nice clean display, and you can even hit that calm display for a really nice, easy, on the eyes feel. Very luxurious, beautiful truck. Let us know what you think in the comments. And what we really need you to do is hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 10,000 followers as soon as possible because we've got a big giveaway we're going to be doing there. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll make it happen for you guys. Jake Fry, the car guy, Walker Paul Tedders. Walker Paul, what else you got for the people?
We love these 25 Mavericks. The redesign is great. Stay tuned with us for more Maverick videos. We're going to be getting them straight to you guys and all that, everything you need, man.
Like and subscribe. Thanks.